Hi everyone, and welcome to Mama J's Kitchen. Today's recipe is tabbouleh, a citrus-dressed herb salad which is bound to please. Let's get started. First, we're going to dice 3 Persian cucumbers. If you can't find this variety, you can use 1 English cucumber or a standard American one. Whichever one you use, it'll be delicious. Next, I'm dicing about 2 cups of mixed cherry and grape tomatoes. You can substitute any tomatoes you like, as any ripe, juicy tomato will work here. Then we slice 2 to 3 spring onions. You can add more if you like. Shallots and red onion also work well. Now we finely chop an entire bunch of flat leaf parsley. And we do the same with a bunch of fresh mint. Remove the stems. To a bowl, add half a cup of bulgur wheat, which has been soaked in boiling water for at least 20 minutes. After soaking, it should be approximately 1 cup. Now add the vegetables and herbs we prepared earlier and give a good stir to mix everything together. Next, add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with half a teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Then add the juice of 2 limes. I'm using lemons here, as I had a couple that were on their last legs. Give a stir to combine. I recommend letting this sit in your fridge for at least a couple of hours to allow flavors to develop. Tabbouleh is a good accompaniment with grilled meats and fish. I'm pairing it here with pan-seared chicken breast with a lemon caper sauce. It was delicious. Thank you for joining me, and I do hope you give this recipe a try. And if you want to see more content, please don't forget to like and subscribe.